Welcome to Building MA'TIKI. My name is Mike and I am building a 46-foot catamaran from a stack of plywood. Don't have any experience in neither sailing nor building a boat. And ta-da! This is my daily nightmare. So what I've been doing this week is cutting off these edges of the side panels. They ran a little long when I put them up. That's what the plans called for, and now I'm trimming them down. And how I'm doing that is, got this long batten right here. I put that up against here, mark it, and cut it with the fine tool. Pretty simple, straightforward, and very exciting. I've been looking forward to doing this for a while because you can finally see the shape of the boat. Yeah! So today is going to be a cool day. I'm going to see some I've never seen before. We had some bees move into a water box and they are getting removed today. He's going to put them in a beehive thing, whatever you call them, and they're going to sit here for a couple days so they can all assemble in there, and then he's going to move into his house. He keeps bees professionally, so they're in good hands, I'd say. Let's see how many stings I'll get. I'm kind of worried, but I really want to see it, you know, obviously. And right here they are. That's the box, and they moved in. You can see even some honeycomb right there. I'm not sure if you can notice it on the camera, but yep, should be interesting. That's their new home right there. Why are you putting those rubber bands there?
Well, when I cut the comb out, I'm going to slide the brood comb up inside of here. Because there's no way to attach it to this.
Gotcha.
And then when they get moved in there, hopefully I can get that queen out. Should go in that. Beetle trap. Alright, get the knife.
What's up, boys?
What's going on? Removing some bees.
Looks like y'all are hiding, that's what y'all doing, but I'll be over there with y'all. I'll be over there with you.
Not yet. Give me a minute, man. I gotta put my
You got the right equipment on right there.
Yeah.
Some days out here in Alabama. How cool is that? You look like an astronaut.
Right on.
We're here on planet Mars. It's green after all, it's not red. They lied. Earth is flat. Earth is flat, Mars is green. Here we have a Martian.
You got a clean bucket?
I just want to see what's in the box.
Me too. And then I'm running.
Oh, shit.
Oh, there ain't nothing to them.
What? Is it gonna be that easy?
That looks so cool.
Did the queen drop?
How many bees do you think there are? Is it
Maybe
There ain't a handful of bees in there, man.
Aww.
It's
Gotta be the calmest bees you ever had, huh?
fuck yeah. Alright, girls, watch out.
Oh, they're pissed now.
Yep.
We'll go right back to it. Where'd you go?
You find her?
Yeah, she's right there somewhere.
Oh, because they're forming a ball.
More of them in one spot.
No. That one's a drone.
And we found the queen.
There's your queen.
Inside.
Yep.
Yeah, I see how the gator tail's different.
Crazy.
You just gonna set her loose in there somewhere?
No, just gonna set her right in there.
And that's that. Those are those leftovers. Honeycomb.
Every time, man. How do you ladies find your way in the fucking veil?
Did it get you?
No.
You got
Inside. Every time. Come on, get out of there.
Damn.
There's really not that many bees there.
So I'm here on the starboard side, and the next step is to cut in the hole between the salon and the galley. Ta-da! The salon, the galley. So I've been getting some questions how all of this started, and it's really not that exciting of a story as you might imagine. On February 2nd last year, I watched some YouTube in the evening, and I saw this sailing channel called Lucky Fish, and I watched that video, and that was the first time I saw a worm, and that was the first time it came to my mind I could build a catamaran. I called a friend of mine who knows more about boats than me, which is zero, and I asked him about worms, and he said they're good boats. So the next day I ordered the plans, and we started building. It's really like, it was kind of the right situation, so we went along with it. Also, somebody asked where I was from. I'm from Germany, South Germany. Bayern München, stand the students. Have a good one. Later, guys.